Thank you very much for the opportunity. So it's my pleasure to have here, and also it's a pleasure to meet the salespersons, because from my point of view, sales is one of the most important functions in my team. So it's very, very important to meet and share the best practices.
What I find very useful is all the best practice sharing from the countries. It's great to see that every country has a different best practice to share. So that was the most important pillar for me yesterday, to have some new ideas about that. And it's great to see where every country is working on.
So I think for us as a country, we've never really been part of a formal sales group, and the sharing, I think it's key. I think the amount of stuff that we've just heard from other countries just opens up your mind. I firmly believe in not reinventing the wheel, but to take from other countries and make it better and apply it for your business. So that for me has been absolutely eye-opening experience.
We are always thinking on how can we improve and how can we come to the point excellence in execution. So we developed all the materials, but there are still some small points we can adjust. So I really like the approach from UK, where they said when we visit a customer where we have a market share which is over the average, then we don't need to talk about products, we need to talk about category development. In the others, it's about product and still market share stealing. So the question is now, how can we set up different stories to bring different stories into the stores?
So, Paul, I think this is a terrific opportunity to learn from other countries. Our previous meeting, I took some learnings from Spain around call segmentation, and I've actually put them into practice in the UK now. So it's a great opportunity to see what other countries are doing and to explore best practice, but also take it away and make it work in our countries where it's relevant.
When I come here, I prepare a lot of questions to share with my colleagues, and how you do this, how you manage this. And yeah, it's incredible. So we have a very expertise team, and I get in the best from there, and yeah, quite happy also.
It's really interesting because we work in different way, and it's interesting because we work on the same market with the same kind of customer, so it allows to extend our vision on our market.
You know, Paul, we just closed the meeting, and I was impressed by the level of energy and leadership from the team in the room. I think we are there, you know, we are clear on the burning platform, and we discuss it, and we address as well how to improve our performance on sales, and I think we are clear on the next step for the year.
So another amazing meeting. The energy in the team is very high. The sales team all come together in these meetings, and there's a lot of sharing going on.